Let's be real. You know that Sunday night panic, the one where you remember a huge project at the last minute? Suddenly, you're pulling an all-nighter, fueled by snacks and stress. We've all been there. 10 hours of work, 2 hours to do it. Wishing for a time machine. But since we don't have one, let's find a better way. Last-minute scrambles aren't just stressful. They mean you're not doing your best work, and you're not having any fun. What if you could avoid that panic? Get your homework done, ace your tests, and still have time for friends, games, and even new dance moves. It's not magic. It's time management. Your secret weapon. It's about being the boss of your schedule, not the other way around. This isn't about becoming a homework robot. It's about being smart with your time so you can enjoy more of what you love. Imagine finishing homework on Friday and having the whole weekend free. No guilt, no stress. That's what we're aiming for, and I'll show you how. Let's do this. So, what is time management? Think of your day like a pizza with 24 slices, your hours. You can't save slices for tomorrow, so you have to decide how to use them. Time management isn't about cutting out fun. It's about making space for everything: school, friends, sports, and downtime. You're the pizza boss, no fancy planners needed. Just a piece of paper or your phone. The goal? Get a clear picture of what you need to do and when. Make a simple map for your day or week. A to-do list is your roadmap. When you manage your time, your grades improve, your stress drops, and you have more energy for what you love. You're not canceling plans or losing sleep. It's a chain reaction of goodness. Managing your time is self-care for your future self, and your future self will thank you. Let's get planning. Ready to be the boss of your time? Here's a simple method, the ABC method. Give each task a letter: A for must do today, B for important but not urgent, C for nice to do if there's time. Tackle your A list first, like homework due tomorrow or studying for a big test. B tasks come next, like starting a project due next week. C tasks are for when you have extra time, like cleaning your sneakers or learning a new song. The ABC method keeps you focused and stops overwhelm. Next, try time blocking. Set specific chunks of time for specific tasks. For example, 4:30 to 5:30 is homework time, then it's soccer or chill time. By blocking out your time, you create a routine and make it easier to focus. And yes, you block out time for fun too, guilt-free. Focus on your A's, then B's, then C's. Simple, right? Let's put it into action. Quick story. Maya was always stressed, juggling sports, drama, and homework. She felt like she was failing at everything. Her counselor suggested the ABC method and time blocking. Skeptical, she tried it. She mapped out her week, put practices and rehearsals in first, then prioritized schoolwork. By breaking work into small chunks, she stopped cramming and started finishing things early. Her grades went up, her stress went down, and she had more free time. She was present at practice and focused at rehearsals. That's the real goal. Less stress, more joy. Time management isn't about perfection. It's about making room for what matters. Try it for a week. Make a simple plan and see how it feels. You have nothing to lose and a lot of fun to gain. Be kind to yourself and be the boss of your time. You've got this.